You can delete yourself from the internet for free. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it from a Windows computer. If you want to run this on Linux, please check out my other video. We will need to install two programs, the first one being Node.js. You can find the link in the description. Download and run the MSI installer found here. You'll click Next, you'll agree to the terms and conditions, you'll click Next again, and then check the box that you see here and click Next again. When asked for permission to install, you will click Yes, and you will simply wait until this terminal pops up here. Make sure you click inside of the terminal so it's active and press Enter. I had to press enter more than once to get it to work. You may not have that issue. Extra stuff will install in the background, so give it some time to work. You will eventually be asked to run Windows PowerShell. Click yes. Once this has begun, give it time to complete. Once finished, you can press enter to exit. Now we need to install Git. To do this, we will need to open PowerShell. If you hold down the Shift key and right-click on your desktop, you'll see the option to open a PowerShell window here. If that does not suit you, you can always come down here, type in PowerShell to the search bar, and open it manually from there. Once you have a PowerShell session open, type in winget install git.git. I have left this command for you in the description. Type Y to agree to the terms and press enter. When you are prompted to install Git for Windows, click yes. Once this is done, head down here to the Windows search bar again and type CMD. This will allow you to open command prompt. You can click enter. Head over to the GitHub repo and scroll down until you see this line right here. Click the copy button to the right. The link to the repo is in the description. Head back over to the command prompt, click inside, and hit Ctrl V to paste. Then click enter. When asked to proceed, type Y and press enter. Node.js will now install Chromium, which is required for the project to run. After Chromium has finished installing, come back over to the GitHub repo and copy each one of these commands one at a time, and then paste each one individually into the command prompt. You can leave out the lines that have a hashtag in front of them, and you will want to follow these in order. Once you reach node setup.js, you will be asked to put in your personal information. The rest of this is very basic and up to you to complete. You will eventually be asked for a CapSolver API key. This is completely optional, but it will help the automation bypass CAPTCHAs without any interaction, therefore increasing the amount of data you remove about yourself from the internet. You can go to the effort of setting up these accounts to increase its effectiveness, or you can type in the letter N for no and press enter for each response. It is up to you whether you want to have this run every single month. It will help remove more data more frequently, but you may have to leave your machine running. Once these details are completed, you will simply type /run.sh, which is also on the GitHub repo as the last and final command. If you turn this machine off, then you can execute the run command to get it going again. Windows is not the best option for this project, but for those who are not comfortable with Linux, you now have the full tutorial. Lastly, I need to make you aware that this project puts your personal details in a text file, so be sure to protect the computer. If you liked this video, want to learn more ethical hacking, or even just more Linux, please give me a like and a subscribe.